Hello, I'm Kiran Rajput, and this is a SQL Query Bench Tools, an AI-powered database assistant built for OpenAI built Vic. Actually, it's allow anyone to connect a database and ask business question in plain English. OpenAI Codex then investigate the database and generate SQL, execute it safely, and explain the result. So the problem statement is business users know the question they want to ask, but they may not know SQL table name relationships or database specific conversation. So this basic text to SQL system can guess the schema or misunderstand the business terms such as the revenue and net sales that can produce convincing but incorrect result. So these problems is solved by the SQL Query Bench tool. The Query Bench combines a live schema inspection with the business context provided by the user, and user can update or upload data dictionaries, metrics, and definition, business rules, relationships, and the example SQL. Then Codex use this context while treating the live database schema as the final source of truth. So the application uses Angular as in front end and the Python fast API in back end and SQL Alchemy that manage the database connectivity. So at its core is an iterative OpenAI function calling workflow. The backend provides Codex with a registered database function for schema discovery, SQL generation, validation, and execution. The Codex selects the function, then the backend execute it, return the result to the model, and continue this cycle until the Codex has enough verified information to produce the final answer. From here, user can configure his database. As of now, I have connected with the Supabase database, and entire the password and the credentials are encrypted, and which is stored in the locally. And the schema explorer, the schema explorer read the live database structure, and here query bench has discovered 5 tables and the subset of the columns and rows. User can also upload business definition, data dictionary, relationships, and example SQL. So for example, in the context file can define exactly how our organization calculate net sales. Codex automatically use this context in future questions. And the dashboard. The dashboard provide a complete observability, including query volume, success rate, response times, model usage, and the entire logs and the history. To For the natural query, we just user need to OAuth with his Codex account, and he is able to get all the set of model which is available, and he can switch to the different one. So as of now, I just ask the some of the set of queries, get me all customers, and the get me orders, show me all the orders. So there are a set of the list of the orders are present. Let me ask any other queries which I have saved somewhere. Show me monthly revenue, refund discovered, discount, and net sale. These are the SSE updates. Like these live updates are streams through the server sent event, which allow the users to follow the agent work in real time. What are the set of function the tool that's model is used, and what is the thinking of the model, along with the what query he executed over the database that we can see here. So it's taking a time because the codex and the model use follow the iterative approach and find the correct source of the data. So here he gave me some of the net sales of value, and some summary and verification and RCA. And next query recommendation. Let me ask us other queries also. Compare monthly performance using month over month growth percentage. Here, the model and tool is following the iterative approach to get the accurate source of data. Here are some of the here from the view tool we can see the some set of the tools or the function which we have defined in the our backend, like search table, search column, check relationships, introspect, schema, discover join path, execute SQL, explain SQL, fix SQL, connect database, and some general get connection profile, analyze, detect the extension for the PostgreSQL. We have subset of the extension which may be installed, like PostGIS or pgvector, that can be identified and detected, and this utilities is implemented in this tool. Okay, here is the final response and the accurate result he gave. Like I compared the 14 month of order performance using a month over month percentage for revenue, and some of the key insight by comparing the some of the month. Okay, that's all about this tool. Thank you.